Hello and welcome to Modern Thatch Living. Today I need to tidy up this pipework, this water into the garden. We used to have this black pipe that ran underneath the house. It used to leak in places, so we've ripped it all out and put new conduit underneath the house and then run this blue MDPE pipe underneath the house. What I need to do is dig this back, put a T-piece in, shorten the blue pipe, shorten the black pipe, try and get a watertight junction. This is a slightly different size to the blue pipe and it's quite difficult to get a good fitting onto it. And I need to put a tap in the corner here somewhere, not sure exactly where. And there's some various other bits to tidy up. There's some old wire that used to run through the garden that I need to dig up and shorten out as well. Anyway, let's get on with it. Trench is dug now. Right, to use these fittings and put the pipe together, you need to have a nice straight edge at the end of the pipe. Like that. Then put the pipe through there like that, put this collar on with the tapered edge facing away from the joint. Then you push this insert into the tube, right in. Like that. It's right in there, and then you push this in and you give it a hard push and you see it go right into the fitting. Then you push the collar up and then you tighten up the joint, and this, when you tighten this up, it forces the collar down around the joint like that, and there you have it. The joint is now watertight. water's on, and we don't seem to have any leaks. This one looks okay as well. It's, in the past, making connections onto this black pipe has been really difficult, but somehow this time I've got away with it and it's worked. Yeah, this one looks alright as well. This one was, I did this one some time ago and it was fine, and I haven't changed it today, so I'm not surprised that that one's okay. So all I need to do now is cut that dead electrical wire off and fill the trench in again. Right. Right, it's all finished now and it looks a bit of a mess. What I'm going to do is just let this settle for a few weeks, and then I'll probably put some soil on to level it up and reseed it with some fresh grass seed. We've got quite a lot of work to do later on in the year, hopefully, to basically landscape all this area, so I'm not too worried about it. And the main thing is the water is in while the ground is still quite soft and easy to dig. So anyway, I hope you've enjoyed that today, and look forward to seeing you next time. Goodbye.